I was in 1994 with my last year in university visiting Hong Kong, Shenzhen, and Guangzhou. We were visiting passenger car factories who were just ready, just starting up. It was very primitive, very exciting. I think the biggest change is, without any doubt, the technological revolution. And it happened really in the last 5 years. There was like a linear development, fast but linear, not just in our industry, but in all industries. And of course, what we see predominantly is the development around digitalization and electrification. Really impressive. Scania entered the Chinese market back in 1965 when the first customers took delivery of our beautiful orange trucks back in the days. And we've been in China ever since. It is the biggest market in the world. So that makes it, of course, very interesting. Secondly, it's the most competitive market in the world. So you're training against a very tough competitors, which is very good for your own competitive capabilities towards the rest of the world. And then we should remember, we're not just doing this in China for China, we're doing this for export out of China. So for us, this is our Asian hub, and it's really important to be in a country with good trade relationships to other markets in the close vicinity of China, maybe also even further away, where we can have a competitive advantage coming from here. And finally, technology revolution means that we want to be part of this. We want to work with partners. We want to work with students, engineers, researchers, to also take part of the technology that is emerging here and bring that in, not just into China, but into our global product offering. There are a good alignment which technologies are the future ones where there will be enabling conditions supporting. So if we talk about battery electric vehicles, we see in China already 20%, where we in Europe see less than 2%, where we in North America don't even see 1%. So that means that the system is supporting new technologies in a very interesting way, charging infrastructure, the electricity grid, making sure that it's competitive on cost and price, training around it. So all of that seems to be in place in China, and it's very exciting to be part of that movement and see how we can take maximum advantages. We took the decision in 2020. It was pretty fast to taking the first real step, starting constructing. That was in July 2023, where we had the first shovel put into the ground here in Rugao. And yeah, today looking out over this, that's 25, 26 months later, it's incredible. Now, for us, it's a big investment. It's the biggest that we have done in modern history. So it's obviously very, very important to us that we succeed. We're increasing our production capacity with 50%. That's a huge step. And this is not just a factory. We have the entire value chain here, starting from sales and services, close to the customer, understanding the customer, bringing that knowledge upstream into R&D, adapting the products, and then producing them and then selling them again. No, but having such a system in a place like Asia and specifically in China, for us and for the future, is extremely valuable. We will give this team a lot of autonomy to make sure that they can adapt to the local needs much faster than if this needs to be done through a head office far away in Europe with a lot of processes that makes us slow. So we want to learn to work in Chinese speed. We want to learn how to satisfy the Chinese and the Asian customers. And we're then going to take that and bring that to the rest of our global system to make sure that we're competitive also in the rest of the world.